This is GMK Hammerhead, a keycap set that I bought way back in July 2020. After 16 months of waiting, it's finally here, so I'm quite excited to unbox this. This is what officially made me enter the custom keyboard hobby, and it's the first custom keycap set that I ordered, so it'll always have a special place in my heart. Novel Keys will be having sales for extras of this set on Monday, November 22nd, 2021 at 9 AM Central Time, so if you want to grab a set, do head over there at the designated time and act fast because I guarantee you this will sell out very quickly. Now just to clarify, the colors don't look accurate on camera and look much better in person, especially the legends and accent keycaps. Compared to renders, it looks quite similar to what I expected. The outfits are actually so dark it looks like it's black when it really isn't. Modified colors look about similar, and the accent pieces are also more minty green than cyan. In addition to the dark base, I also got the accent spacebar kit to add some extra flair. Here's what the set looks like on my GMK Pro. That's it for this video, see y'all next time.